In this video, we're going to talk about the 3 reasons why you should not give a woman attention. Pretty simple. Guys, I'm telling you, this is the one thing you have to your advantage, okay? Women pretty much control a lot. She controls when she opens up that box. She controls if she's going to say yes or no to you if you want to date her. She controls a lot of stuff, man. But the one thing that you can control is this, okay? And I'm gonna break it down to you. I'm gonna break it down to you, okay? But attention is the one thing that women crave and that you can control. So let's get into it. The 3 things. The reason why you should not give a woman attention is because attention is currency. Why do you think women love social media? Because they get so much attention from random people on the internet every day of the year. Think about it. Who would not want to be just getting compliments after compliments, getting text messages? You post a picture, people like it. People are commenting how beautiful you are. Just validation after validation. And my thing is, like, all this attention that they're getting, most of the time, is coming from guys. Most of the time, this attention that they're getting is coming from guys. Because guys are the ones that's going to DM a girl 50 times or DM her every day for 365 days a year, even though they're not getting a response. Women don't do that. Women don't send messages first like that. And if she's not sending you a message every day of the year. Okay? So, not only is the attention currency, but the women know it's currency. That's why women hate being ghosted. Because it's pretty much like you lost the attention. Think about that. Women that gets ghosted hate it because now you don't have the attention that she thought you did. So my thing is, if you say have multiple women, you have the abundance mindset. You got hole number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. You deal with number 1, you're done with it, and your attention is on number 2, 3, 4, 5. They're gonna be like, dang, why is this guy not texting me back? This dude's telling me good morning, but the dude I want is not texting me back. What's going on? Why do I only get to see him once a week? This dude wants to hang out every day, but this dude I have to beg to hang out with. What's going on? Attention, I'm telling you. Attention. Okay, the attention is there. And like I said, it's currency. So you can say right now you're rich with the attention and use it to your advantage. You don't just give all your money away for no reason. You know what I'm saying? You use a little bit of it, invest it. You give her a little bit of attention here, you give her a little bit of attention there. Like I said, attention is key. Number 2, the reason why you should not give women attention is because most of the time, women are getting what they want and they're not giving men what the man wants. Let me break it down. When you're giving a woman attention, like you're texting her every day, you're telling her good morning, you're giving her all this stuff, like I said, she's getting the validation. She's getting the, when you tell a woman she's beautiful, what does she get? She got the validation that she's beautiful, but what did you get? Nothing in return because she's not even going to reply to you. So the reason why you should not give women attention is because not only is it currency, but you're pretty much giving away that money for free. Like I said, when you tell a girl she's just beautiful, just send a random DM, you don't get DM back. You pretty much just give the money for free. You didn't get anything back. Yes, sometimes compliments you can give one away and expect nothing in return. But my thing is, guys do it all the time, and like I said, the validation is not there. They're not getting validated back. You're telling this woman how beautiful she is. You're telling her good morning every day, and she's just not giving it back. So if she's not giving it back, you don't give it to her. That's pretty much simple. If you know she's not gonna, if you tell her good morning, you know she's not gonna tell you good morning back, don't tell her good morning. If you know if you're gonna call her beautiful and she's not gonna call you cute back, don't tell her she's beautiful. It's pretty plain simple because a lot of guys do it. A lot of guys are out there just, hey baby, hey beautiful, good morning, and it's like, what are you getting in return? She's getting everything she wants. You liked her picture, you left a comment, and the algorithm's helping her. She's getting more likes, more comments, more dudes coming at her. How'd you win? And she didn't reply to your message. You know what I'm saying? Number 3, the reason why you should not give a woman attention is because not only is it currency, not only are you probably not getting what you want out of it, but the thing is, when you're not giving a woman attention, she's thinking, hey, another woman is probably getting that attention. So like I said, there's guys that are sending her DMs, telling her how beautiful she is, calling her beautiful, blah, 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 telling her good morning every day, but then there's guys that are ignoring her. And why does she want the guy that's ignoring her? Because that guy that's ignoring her is probably giving that attention to somebody else. So she's like, dang, this guy is giving me his attention. He's telling me good morning. That means I'm the best thing in his life. Why isn't the guy I want doing that to me? Because he's not. That means, if I'm not the best thing in his life, who could be better than me? And you know how girls are. Girls are insecure. They always compete against themselves. And like I said, that's why the alphas always win. That's why the alpha males always win. Because the simps are doing the opposite. Like I said, sending messages every day, not getting anything in return. But the alpha man is ignoring her all week and then hitting her up when he wants, hitting her up on his schedule. And like I said, when she knows that another girl is getting your attention, women hate it. Because especially when they're competing for it, especially when your attention is scarce, and she knows that, it's like, okay, so like I said, it's like, say I'm texting her once a week, and I text her that one time a week. She knows that if she doesn't reply or if she doesn't do whatever, she's not getting another text. So what does she do? She's, dang, okay, let me make some time, let me do whatever, let me compete a little bit, let me make sure I can get in there. And like I said, women like men that they can't have. So what you gotta do is be hard to get. Women think that they like to play hard to get. Men have to be good at playing hard to get. Why? Because the more women you have, the harder you are to get. When there's only one of you, and not everybody can have you. So the more women that want you, the more women that you're around, the more women that you have access to, the more each one is gonna want you because they realize how scarce you are. You know what I'm saying? That's why people love NBA players, the rappers, singers, because like Chris Brown, there's only one of him. Why do you think all the girls want him? Because if a guy, Chris Brown, sends you a DM and says, "Oh, it's your turn," you better be happy because a lot of women know that they're not getting that turn. And why? There's a lot of women that send him messages, they'll get anything in return. And like I said, giving women attention is you pretty much giving away your superpower. It's pretty much you giving away your leverage. It's you giving away your advantage. So don't do it. And I just listed 3 reasons. Like I said, your attention is currency. It's the money. You just don't give it away. Your attention, most of the time, is you use it to get what you want. If she doesn't want to give you anything, you don't give her the attention. If she's not going to give you what you want, you don't give her the attention. And the third one is, she knows when you're not giving her attention, or whenever you control your attention and who you give it to, she knows that you can choose to give it to another woman. And she's going to hate that. And that's going to make her want you even more. And like I said, you can tell me which one you use the most or which one you hate, but leave a comment.